In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a FAQ in Elementor. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized FAQ section that helps visitors find answers quickly and keeps your page easy to scan. First, open the Elementor editor. Go to the page or post where you want your FAQs to live and choose Edit with Elementor. Give the editor a moment to load. You'll see your page on the right and the Widgets panel on the left. Now let's add the core piece, the Accordion widget. In the left panel's search bar, type Accordion, then drag the Accordion widget onto your page where you want the FAQ to appear. The Accordion is ideal for FAQs because it keeps questions collapsed until someone wants to see an answer, reducing clutter and improving readability. With the widget in place, it's time to add your questions and answers. Click on the first item, typically labeled Accordion number 1. In the title field, type the question. In the content field, type the answer. Aim for clear, concise language and break long explanations into short, readable sentences. If it helps your visitors, you can reference additional resources or mention key details directly in the answer text. To add more FAQs, click Add Item and repeat the process for each new question. You can add as many as you need, and you can reorder them by dragging items up or down in the list, grouping similar topics together so users can browse logically. Next, choose how your FAQ behaves when users interact with it. In the widget settings, look for the option that controls whether only one item can be opened at a time or if multiple items can be expanded simultaneously. One open at a time is the classic FAQ experience and keeps the layout tidy, especially on mobile. Allowing multiple open is great when answers are short or when users might want to compare information across several questions. Pick the behavior that best matches your content and your audience's browsing style. That's the full process. Open the page in Elementor, add the Accordion widget, enter your questions and answers, and choose whether one or multiple items can be open at once. Take a quick look through your questions to ensure the wording is straightforward, the answers are helpful, and the order makes sense. With those pieces in place, you'll have a polished, user-friendly FAQ ready to guide your visitors.